Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So specifically, we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger here. We're going to go ahead, open the hood, and right here, guys, this is, you can see the hood box, right? This is your fuse box under the hood. You have practically two notches here that hold it in place. So what you need to do, squish towards each other, pull out. When you flip it on the side, let me see if I can get it somehow to have a little bit of less glare. If you look right here, that fuse number 11, guys, that fuse number 11 is a 20 amp fuse. Okay, that fuse right here, okay, that's let me see if we can come so you can see it's the third one, little one. That fuse is the one for the horn. Why it's super important to test them? Because if you think it's a good fuse by looking at it, guys, but it's not, what can easily happen, guys, you can spend time and money to fix the problem when all you had to do test the fuse. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays in just a few seconds, and you will be able to find out if they're good or bad. Check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. If you need to buy cheap fuses for a good price, check out the link as well, and you can see where we get them from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.